Greetings, adventurers. I kind of forgot to do this evening, so I'm in bed already, and let's just do this now. We were at Entreaty, and we did the first part of it, most part of it actually, up to, oh my god, up to the fact that they may not use Menhir to simply devote faith without asking for a boon, as this is a ceremony already and it is a waste of Menhir's time. Either in the ceremony or up to 24 hours later, that god will visit these characters and they can then negotiate with the god. Success of the entreaty and the following interaction with their god will be varying depending on the following factors: how much faith they have devoted, what boon they have asked for, which god they have sought help from, and how powerful that god is. The entreaty may vary in success anywhere from exceptional success to catastrophic failure, as per the weaving results. And then we're going on to the next chapter called Magical Skills and Weaving Skills, which hopefully will open. There we go. Magical skills and weaving skills. Spells in Menhir's Fate. In Menhir's Fate, there is 4 ways of casting spells. I think they mean there are. In Menhir's Fate, there are 4 ways of casting spells. Cantrips. These are small acts of magic. Rid. W-R-Y-D. It's not a word I've heard before. That can be used. Oh, sorry. These are small acts of magic that can only be performed by people able to wield focus. In brackets, you must have the appropriate skill to do this. Then, Rite. These are more powerful channelings of magic. In brackets, Rid. Which I find a very odd word for some reason. To do this, the character must spend time channeling the element during which they must perform the weird. I think they just made a spelling mistake twice. Anyway, during which they must perform the weird draw test. Weaving. Weaving is the commonly used name for a large and unique working of magic requiring the use of Menhir. Ceremony. Although these may look similar to rites, these are empowered by the faith of the people. For this reason, they have no chance of failing and often focus on a person's spiritual essence. Oh, excuse me very much. Big yawn. It's a lob yawn still. Too much lob over the weekend. Anyway, magical skills. First one, Mage. 3 XP. This skill grants 4 focus per day and the ability to cast the Identify spell and the Weird Focus. Rite. And the Weird Focus Rite, sorry. This skill is needed before taking any other magical skills, but not the weaving skills. Extra Focus. Initially 2 XP, then increasing by 1 XP each time. Example, 2 XP for the first additional focus, 3 XP for the second additional, etc. This skill grants you 1 additional focus each time you buy it. And then the next one, Extra Cantrip. 1 XP per spell chosen from the cantrip list, which you can click on. We're not going to do right now. Weaving skills. First one, the Weaver. 3 XP. This skill allows you to perform rites and weavings. Upon taking this skill, you pick a sphere from the list below. You gain level 1 power in that sphere, in brackets 2 plus weaving LVL tokens. Something that I might ask, probably level tokens, I'm assuming. This skill is needed before taking any other weaving skill. And then there's a list of what I think are spheres. Earth, air, fire, water, forge, fable, Athria, or oracle. And then it goes on to the next skill. And that was our 5 minutes for yesterday because I'm 7 minutes past 12. Night night.